mung bean snake gourd yogurt stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yogurt recipes. Today we are going to make snake gourd mung beans yogurt stew or mung beans snake gourd yogurt stew. The ingredients are around 250 grams of snake gourd cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 15 to 20 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 1 spoon of fennel seeds and 5 to 6 red chillies, and 100 grams of mung beans or green beans soaked in water for around 6 to 8 hours. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now, once the oil is heated, put in the red chillies and the fennel seeds. Garlic. The next side, put in the shallots, ginger and the garlic. Put in the tomato paste. Now put in the salt to taste. Mix. Mix in the salt. Put in the mung beans. Mix. Mixing the mung beans with the rest of the mixture. Mix in the mung beans and the snake gourd and the tomatoes. Thoroughly mix it in. Now pour in 250 ml of water. Mix the mixture thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 20 minutes if in an open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, pour in around 150 ml of yogurt, and mix in low flame. Put in 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Mix. Now the mung beans, snake gourd, yogurt stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mung beans, snake gourd, yogurt stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt recipes and one of the most nutritious of the mung beans recipes and one of the most different of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to prepare of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.